And that, my friends, is what we call a classic teaser of what's to come. As you can see, we have the transmission out and all the components along with it. So in a future video, you will be seeing the clutch replaced and the transmission will be going back into the RX-8. So hopefully we can get this car back on the road very soon. In the meantime, I did want to put this video out. We recorded it a couple of weeks ago, and I was actually during the time of the decluttering of the RX-8, and the RX-8 had a splitter on it. Now I thought it was just like an FRP or like ABS plastic splitter. It actually happened to be a carbon splitter, so I thought, why not take it off, clean it up, refinish it, and maybe we could use it for a future project. But while I was doing that, my son Royce came out and he decided he wanted to help, so I thought that was kind of cool. So in this video we have a special guest, my little boy Royce. So shout out to you, Royce, for helping me out. There you go. Look over here. There we go.
Disgusting.
Alright. Got my little helper here. It's my boy Royce. Let's go ahead and bring that carbon splitter over here in the grass. Don't ruin it already. Just put it in the grass and then we can clean it up. Other side. Yep, that side. Perfect. Ooh, that is pretty nasty.
See the gas?
Hmm.
If you look from here, it looks like gas.
Gas?
It's white.
Put the diffuser on there. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, she's looking pretty nasty right now.
Disgusting.
All right, go ahead, spray it down. Right here.
Yeah.
It's getting clean though. Look at that. Look at how it's supposed to shine. Look at how shiny it is right there. You see that?
Yeah. That's nice. Put it on phone.
This is fine. There we go. It's a lot cleaner. This is how it's supposed to look, but this is like all dingy. So I'm gonna do,
Oh, it says something right there.
I know, it's all the stickers that were on it. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is, whoever had this before, put a bunch of stickers. The problem is, gotta look through here and see what I'm doing. The problem is, there's still some sticker left, and also the adhesive or the glue part of the sticker is left on there. So we have a little decal wheel remover. So we're gonna run through here, and if you look, I already did it on this side. You can see where it's no longer has any of that glue stuff, but it's obviously shiny where the sticker was. So that's what we're trying to get, so that way when we sand this whole thing down, it'll all look nice and clean. See how this is nice and smooth now, and this side has still the like stuff on it. That's what we're trying to do, is get all this off.
Okay.
So we're removing this stuff right here so that it looks like this over here. So just so there's no more glue. All right, safety first. Okay, go ahead, try it.
Can I go like this?
Yeah, just. Go ahead and wipe it off so you can see where you need. See, we got the top part. All right, keep going. Wipe it off. Let's see what you did. All right, feel it. Make sure there's no more glue stuff. Feels good.
Wait. It looks like a. Never mind.
Looks good. All right, now the next step, we're gonna clean it once more, and then we're gonna sand this whole thing down. So we're gonna use some 320 just to cut this down evenly. And then I'm gonna use some 500 grit to smoothen out these really rough cuts. And then we can put some clear coat on it. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this off with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. So we're gonna clean it one more time before we put the paint on here.
Guys, look, so shiny you can see the reflection of the house. Wow. Trees. The house. Super shiny. You can see the sky.
So, I just put a couple layers of clear. Nothing crazy, just enough to coat it and protect it from the elements. And what do you think, Royce? What does it look like?
It's good.
It looks better?
Yeah. So shiny I can see my face.
Okay, don't touch it. Careful.
Okay.
Good job.
Let's go.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Oh, mushrooms.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. A little short, but kind of cool to have him be able to help me, and maybe he'll catch the bug and want to help Dad with future projects. But for now, I'm gonna get back to getting this transmission. Gosh, these planes, I swear. Getting the transmission back into the RX-8 and getting this next video set up for you guys. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.